Obi Cubana this video. I'm doing this video directly to you. First of all, happy birthday in advance. I'm wishing you long life and prosperity. But there is something I want to say. Obi Cubana, what is going on? Waiting the sub, waiting the sub. Guess if an what is going on? At least I remember one certain time where you went to one location like that. Your brother Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki was there. You stand up in your chair, you went there, you greeted him. You know? But if you see going on your brother, your own brother Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki is in danger. That Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki is in danger. Huh? This, as it stands now, you are the only one, you are the only person that can talk to Soludo. Because Soludo is your, you know, you are the only person that can talk to Soludo. Please, sir, Obi Cubana, I beg, put mouth, talk to your friend Soludo to release Akwa Okuko Tiwara Aki for us. You don't today, dear. You don't today. I beg, I beg you. I know my biko. Do. I'm a nigga for video. Share this video to Obi Cubana coffee because ziano. Guanu Soludo kuko rapozi Akwa Okuko nofu. Obo no nwere ife Akwa Okuko me because I don't support crime. Say putani in public go see evidence na ife me. Because Akwa Okuko no carry go olugo mgbe kwesi no anya hapuzi akwa nofu. Onwe be ife agwala ayo me nothing na just won ya jepochie just like that. No nothing no carry go na no carry go. No carry go. Say hapuzi ani anofu no. Soludo because ya rapuzi say hazia ya nofu no go. Obu no nwe ife me. Putapwa otu isi wee kwu maka ya abịabụrụ why na informe with evidence I am yes na Akwa Okuko committee so crime ama ka ya esiji ije ebujo okwu na court. Look at Lovet o me informe ejidi o aka ha ka o jebegbo court gịnịzi na edile case akwa si jebesia court no nwa informe o je defend ya no onwe na court o ka esi amie ke ka ya esi nwuri akpochie. I know that so many people will not be talking because obule a pastor obule a reverend father. Oh, makana a native doctor at age happy able or young one. Oh, no, carry go no phone, no carry go get with his hair no awful. Obi Cubana, please help us. In this case, you need to help. We need your help. About that age go again a your Soludo because a media protest or do. On web Titus ayeji be where your bika oju welo si aka ije egwu ya ko Akwa Okuko bụ kono your brother na ekwo be na ebie okwo ofu oba okwo nwanna afu okwo nwanna obu na iga agwa Soludo okwu yo ya yotula ayi ko ha your brother. Thank you very much. Your fancy can be kampu.
Please subscribe on this channel, share this video, like, comment, drop your thoughts on the comment section, subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless you.